Hello friends, today we will discuss the first question of day 10. The question is to return second word in uppercase. Here we have to write a function or method that will take a string as an input and returns its second word in uppercase. For example, if input 1 is Wipro Technologies Bangalore, the function should return technologies in uppercase letter. Here we can see that technologies has written in first letter in uppercase and rest of the lowercase. So it will return the technologies in uppercase. Similarly, if input 1 is championship 2017 league, the function should return 2017. And here other example is given. If input 1 is hello, the function should return less. Some points to be noted. If input 1 is a sentence with less than 2 words, the function should return the word less. If our input is in a single word, then our function should return less. And second point is the result should have no leading or trailing spaces. We will solve this question in Dev C++. Before solving this, I request you to subscribe our channel for more this type of videos. So let's start. Now press Ctrl N for new tab. Now we will write and understand the program. At first we will include some header files, which is hash include stdio.h, and another header file is hash include stdlib.h, and another is hash include unistd.h, and last header file is hash include string.h. Now let's define the function which will return the pointer of character type. So that is char star. Let's say our function name is second word uppercase, and we will pass one formal argument means of character pointer type, that is input 1. Now we will declare two pointers of type character dynamically. So char star, let's say our variable name is input copy, which is equal to malloc, and size is 255 into size of char. Now we will declare another variable. Let's copy this and paste here and change the here input copy to input copy 1. Now we will declare some variables and initialize variable to 0. So let's say I and x, and we will initialize count to 0. Now const char delim of equal to space. Delimiter is something which separate two words in a sentence, which is let's say means underscore, question mark, etc. After that we will take strcpy and we will copy this input 1 to input copy, and again input 1 to input copy 1. So here input copy comma input 1, and now we will copy this and paste here, and we will change the copy 1 input copy to input copy 1. After that we will take another pointer of character type, and we will use strtalk function, and here we will pass the parameter input copy comma delim, which is delimiter. strtalk is used for splitting a string by some delimiter. So here we have used. Now we will take while loop. While ptr is not equal to null, we will continue the loop. Now we will take the if condition. If strlen of ptr is greater than 0, we will increment the count variable, means value of count variable. Now after that ptr equal to str top of null comma delim. After that we will again take if condition. If count is greater than 1, we will initialize char star, let's say ptr1 equal to str talk of input copy1 comma delimiter, input copy1 comma delim. Now again char star s equal to str talk of null comma delimiter. After that we will take for loop for I equal to 0 and s of I is not equal to null and I plus plus. Now we will again write the condition. If s of I is greater than equal to a and s of I is less than equal to z, what we will do? We will do s of I equal to s of I minus 32, means here we will subtract the ASCII value of each letter by 32, so it will convert the lowercase letter into uppercase. Now after that we will return here s. Now we will write else part, else return less. At last we will free input copy. Now we will write main function void main, and we will declare one character array of size 1000, which is my underscore str of 1000. Now we will take the input from user, let's say printf, enter the sentence or word. After that we will read it from keyboard. Now here we will use gets function. Gets, our variable is my str. Now we will call the function percentage s, let's say slash n for new line, and here our function name is second word uppercase, so here we have to write second word uppercase, and here we will pass our actual argument, which is my underscore str. At last get cs to hold the string. Now by pressing Ctrl S we will save the program. Let's give the name second word uppercase .c, and we will select all files. Let's save. Now we will execute and compile and run the program. Here let's take input which has given in the question, that is Wipro Technologies Bangalore. Here our function should return technologies in uppercase, so let's check. Here we can see that technologies are in uppercase. Now we will check for another input. Let's give the hello world which has given in the question. Hello world. Here our function should return world in uppercase, so let's check. Here we can see that it returns world in uppercase. Now we will check for another input, means let's give the single word which is hello. So our function should return less. Let's check. Here we can see that it returns less. So our program is right. Please do like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more this type of videos. Thanks for watching.